Alright, hello everybody, hello, welcome to semi-finals of the SPDA. We are here to face Twisted Games and their... I don't think I know the name of their team, let me check really quick. And they're Chicago Boltowns. Cool, I love Boltown, he's a great Pokemon, in my opinion. Would be better if he had Ice Fan, but it is what it is. Anyways, let me show you the matchup really quick. So they have Terrapagos, which is terrifying as usual. They also have a Terrakeldeo, which is also terrifying. They also have a Goldingo, which is also terrifying. And then they have a Rillaboom, which is, you know, I have a Palafin, so yeah, it is what it is. Weavile is of course always annoying, and their Terra Flygon is actually, I think, their kill leader. They seem to like to Terra the Flygon just as much as the Keldeo, if not more, which is scary. Because, you know, if you saw my week 1 versus Noah for the win, you almost get 6-0 by a Terra Haxorus on the lead. So we have to be very careful when it comes to that if they bring it. I don't think that the Iron Thorns and the Swallow come to this game, unfortunately. Although I did say that last game and I almost got swept by freaking Torterra. But, you know, neither one of these has Shell Smash, so we'll take it as that. Sylveon could come, but I think it's unlikely. I have a pretty hard stop to it with Iron Threads, and outside of that, yeah, but it does help a lot with my Darkrai, assuming that I don't catch it with a Sludge Bomb on the Switch. So I expecting it to bring the first 5 and Flygon. I will also not be surprised if they bring just the first 6. Or a combination of it. I am pretty nervous, not gonna lie, but you know, we did our prep. I will say before we even begin this that I did go back and forth between what Terra I wanted to use for my Terra Captain this week, which is gonna be the Crossma, spoiler alert, now bringing Festivity to this game for a variety of reasons that I may explain later, mostly because I couldn't fit it on the team, to be honest with you, which is a shame. But outside of that, I did go back and forth between running Terra Steel or Terra Water. I ended up settling, for the longest time I was set on Terra, Steel, that ultimately decided to go Terra Water, mostly because the Keldeo just destroys me without Terra Water on the thing. From an offensive point of view, I guess, from a purely offensive point of view, I could Terra Steel to resist, or to... Actually, no, I could... If I Terra Steel, you know, the water moves, they still do the same, but the fighting moves, even though I do have Prison Armor, they still just do so much damage. So we're gonna have to go with that. Switching into Terra Starstorm is gonna be hard, but you know, it's gonna be what's gonna be. I did consider the idea of running Terra Ghost because, you know, Terrapagos has a really hard time with those, but you know, they do have a freaking Goldingo and they do have freaking Weavile, and I'm kind of expecting both of them to come. It doesn't really help much versus the Keldeo because the water moves still hit pretty hard. So I guess we're not gonna go with that because Goldingo is kind of a little hard for me to switch into Goldingo as well, funnily enough. So we're gonna go with Terra Water and hope for the best. As far as the rest of the team, we are bringing Darkrai with a Life Orb. It does hit their team pretty hard, and they really don't want to be... I mean, Specs will hit harder, but you know, the inability of switch moves, it's a really big liability this game. So you know, hopefully, you know, we get that. Assault Vest Palafin we're bringing mostly to switch into Goldingo. We do have Flip Turn on it to be able to switch around. Hopefully we can take some hits, kill stuff. Mostly 3 water moves: Jet Punch, Jet Punch, and Wave Crash, and then Close Combat just purely for coverage. We are bringing a purely defensive Slither Wing, mostly for the Weavile. Hopefully it comes. If it doesn't, then it's not going to be as useful. It could potentially help with the Flygon. But, you know, they do seem to like to run what's called Lomberry, so we'll see. And last but not least, I mean, threats, we bring the special defensive sets, but last but not least, we're bringing Triskar ZAPDOS. Terra Water Keldeo, yep. Water Necrozma. Okay, so they didn't bring the Flygon, which is fantastic. They didn't bring the Sylveon, which is not unexpected. No Flygon, so the top 6 versus almost my top 6. No Flygon being here means that I can potentially lead with Pal L and just get my thing. If they leave Weavile, the thing is, I just don't know what their situation is as far as yeah, no, we're gonna leave with Khalil, to be honest, just to activate our Terra Starstorm, because we should be faster than anything not named Keldeo or Weavile. If they leave Weavile, we go hard into Apollo. If they lead Keldeo, we just do right, unless they have a choice card Rillaboom. I should be faster than Rillaboom, and the Terrapagos could be annoying. Yeah, I don't know what their strategy is, but the Terra Water Keldeo is terrifying. So, anyways, hopefully it's a fun game without any hacks, yada yada yada. You know the drill. Here we go. Let's get into semifinals, baby. Woo! I don't think I have played Twisted games before, so this is exciting too, as far as a new opponent. They are gonna leave with the Rillaboom, which is absolutely fair. We do have a strategy for that. Rillaboom. I mean, they could very much go for the knockoff here. Matter of fact, they're probably gonna go for it. So I could go into you. If I go into you, I halfway expect them to be, you know, if they go for knockoff, if they go for U-turn and the U-turn into Sylveon, that's fine. I think I'm not gonna risk the choice card from you because it's too valuable. I don't know if they're expecting physical choice card Zapdos, so I'm gonna go into Apollo, and we're gonna see what happens. If they knock off, they knock off, at least take a little bit of damage, but we'll see. So we are gonna go into our Apollo. They are just gonna U-turn. Okay, they're gonna take some damage. I do to a 334 to 339, 374 to 339, 374 minus 339. I did take 35%. And I didn't see if they took damage from the Rocket Helmet, which is unfortunate. That is so bad of me. Yep, don't play like that, kids. I could see them going to Sylveon here, which will be absolutely okay with me. U-turn did very little. It is not choice band. Okay, that is good to know. Yeah, there is the Sylveon. I will recover some health. Cool. Into Sylveon we always go to this guy. They do not have, Sylveon doesn't have Mystical Fire this thing, so you know, maybe we can set up our rocks here. Not being Flygon, not being around is good. The reason why I didn't run a spinner on the threats is because the grassy terrain actually I don't mind too much. So yeah, let's see what they do. Bottom pass will be the most annoying part, but we'll see what they do. Let's see what they do. They are gonna reflect. Okay, they are trying to set something up, which is annoying. So I could set up rocks here, or I could knock off. Who are you trying to set up? You're probably trying to set up the Keldeo. Which is scary. I'm not going to even pretend it's not. It is what it is, right? Let's go ahead and I'm gonna knock off your likely, because clearly you're gonna be likely. Surely you're gonna be likely, right? We're gonna go Dingo, perfect. Yep. Okay, that's fine. Absolutely okay. Did no damage to it. Okay. So the do reflect up. So my Iron Threats, but we did get rid of the Culver, so that's good. It's called Dingo. Okay. So knock off with a Culver behind a Reflect. Okay. So it might just be offensive. So we might be good to start attacking here. I could also go into this guy, but with the reflect being up, that is just a liability, I feel. I'm not gonna go into you yet. Maybe in the future. We're gonna try to go for the high horsepower. Okay, that's decent damage, I feel. Look at nasty blood. Okay, fuck me, dude. Okay, I do think we can 3-shot them. So we're gonna try to go for it again. This is very scary. Very, very scary. We should leave a Shadow Ball, a +2 Shadow Ball. We should leave a Focus Blast as well, because we are Chopo. They could be recover. I don't know if they will be, but they could be. Oh, we get a crit. Oh, I'm so sorry, dude. I am so sorry, but freaking A, dude. Holy cow. That is massive. We just got rid of one of the biggest threats on the team. Holy shit. Okay. Yep. Trust. The grass disappears for heal. Alright, threats. Do you take a Terrapagos? Terrapagos flamethrower. Yeah, I take any hit from Terrapagos. So that's good. Okay, this is like super scary. Mostly because they still have a good amount of terrain. A good amount of turns of, you know, whatnot. I could just go for the that's Keldeo here kills me. Keldeo, if he is just booster attacker. Surf does kill me, which is unfortunate. I could just knock off. I could spin too to try to see how fast you are. If I spin, I'm faster than you next turn, and then I knock you off. Jeez, dude, I'm so nervous. Could just knock off here. I'm gonna knock off. Yeah, they're gonna start call mining. Okay. Yep. No, that's hella scary. I should have just gone for the spin. We're gonna find out what your item was, though. Your item was justify. Yeah, nice. The item was the life orb. Okay, so we got rid of your life orb. That's good. The reflect goes away, so that's cool. They could go for a water move here. Do they have the Weavile? They do have the Weavile, so I want to keep this leader win. If I loot this guy here, I can go into ZAPDOS. Keldeo's do very little, but ZAPDOS should kill you, right? ZAPDOS with a wild charge. Wild charge. I'm a little confused. Oh, take away the reflect. Yeah, ZAPDOS should kill you. Do I give away my threats here? I guess I do. Fudge, dude. I'm gonna spin. Ah, damn it. Okay. That's fine. I mean, it is what it is, right? Yeah, I couldn't really have given anything else away. Palafin is good for... If I go Palafin here, he just goes for the thing. Palafin's still good for this guy. And helps with way well. I had to go ZAPDOS. Alright. And I just have to hope that I kill. But then again, the majority why we bring this is to go for this guy, right? So, yep. We're just gonna have to go for the wild charge and hope that it is enough. Come on, ZAPDOS. The best case scenario will be they Terra here, thinking that they're gonna... Best case scenario is they Terra here, thinking that they are gonna kill me with the surf, and I killed them. But we will see, we will see. They could also switch out, I mean, preemptively. They're not gonna Terra. Oh my god. Let's go, ZAPDOS! Joy Scarf! Physical ZAPDOS, dude! Oh, instinct. I love you, dude. You are the GOAT. Oh, that is huge. That is huge. didn't even give it the chance to Terra. Oh my god. Because I killed use 100% Surf, Aura Sphere, Backing Way, and Calm Mind. I consider this so much. I thought about this so much. I was like, oh, choice card physical sub that seems like a rich dude. But we got it in. Okay. Right, this Rillaboom is still annoying. I can go into you. I mean, I have to go into you. You are good here. Okay. I mean, they're obviously just gonna do the thing. They're just gonna U-turn, but I think it's fine, right? Right. Here comes Apollo. Knockoff will be the worst thing, but you know. Acrobatics. Okay. I mean, fair enough. Oh, they are the thing. They are the thing. Okay, well. I am going for the first impression though. They are pads. Okay. Yep. This is not really gonna hurt them. It hurts me more than it hurts them. Acrobatics versus Apollo though. So yeah. Oh, it has an item. But surely I'm faster than this damn Sylveon, right? Sylveon. My Slitherwing. You will have to be max speed. And I don't think you are. This is very good versus Weavile. I think we're gonna U-turn here and risk it. Ah, okay. Cool. Okay, let me see. Sylveon is annoying. They still have the Terrapagos, which is the biggest threat right now. I could go to you. Not doing much to you though. I could go to you. The thing is, once I go to you, I can start setting up. So maybe I should have let him go down. I still very good versus Weavile though. If they start setting up though, that's gonna be annoying, so I think let's go into Palafin. We're gonna recover some health. And if they don't set up Reflect, I can just fire off a Wave Crash. Sure to Hero, yeah. Calm Mind. Oh my god. But this is hella scary. Okay, so Sylveon has become an annoyance. Okay. So we just Wave Crash you, right? I mean, we know that the Sylveon is whatever. Palafin, Hero versus Sylveon if you are just defensive. I mean, I'm still doing 90-something% to you. Hyper Voice dies a lot too, but it is what it is, you know. I could also just flip turn. I'm gonna Wave Crash. Having a lot of faith on Palafin to do this. Damn. Hopefully I don't die to a Hyper Voice. It is Citrus Berry, okay. I mean, I will still kill it with another one. The recoil is what scares me. Alright, we do leave it. That's good. Okay. So, that did a lot, but it wasn't enough. They do have a Weavile. I don't care too much about the Weavile. I could just flip turn here and go into thing. I'm going to ZAPDOS. Will ZAPDOS die to this Sylveon? ZAPDOS. Yeah, you probably die. Alright, I do have to go for another Wave Crash. Yeah, should have just gone for the flip turn, dude. Damn. But the Rillaboom is gonna take some damage, so you know, it is what it is, right? I mean, I take damage, but so do they. And I do get a little bit of recovery anyway with their thing. As long as they don't set rocks, we are okay. Yep. Oh, you don't have terrain anymore. Holy shit. Okay. So this Rillaboom, my Palafin hero. So how much is my cost combat doing? So my wave crash did about that. So the cost combat doesn't quite kill you. Unfortunate for me. It is so close to killing you, but it doesn't quite kill you. And Palafin is pretty good here. Flip turn, jet punch. I'm gonna flip turn just to put a little bit of damage on you. Yep. It's an itemless Rillaboom. Very interesting. I mean, if you go whip out, you go whip out. Knockout. Yep, that's fine with me. That's absolutely fine with me. What is your switch into this now? You could go into Sylveon, you could go into Weavile. You really don't have a Braver switch in though. I don't kill you with U-turn, I know that for sure. Rillaboom, my ZAPDOS. Yeah, I don't kill you with a U-turn. Ah, do I kill you? Maybe. I think we just Braver here. There's no point of saving the guy. If you sack the Sylveon here, that sucks for me. Yeah, I mean, it is what it is, right? Alright, there goes Sylveon. I could have go for a U-turn, but then again, I end up in a position where I have to, you know, I could have gone into the thing. We'll see, we'll see. It's all about positioning, I guess. They got the Terrapagos here is the most scary part. But you know, we had to deal with what we had to deal with, right? You know, Weavile. Okay, cool. Pressure, yeah, that's fine. I mean, this guy is fine. Yeah, dude. Alright, well, whatever it is, we're gonna try to go for U-turn. Go with static you, although I don't think you will, but you know, you could always try to, right? If you did have Ice Shard, then certain choices feel quite unnecessary. Alright. So we go Apollo here. I mean, the first expression is always what we go for, right? Could be Sash. If it's Sash, it's Sash, you know? Alright, go ahead, going for U-turn. Terrapagos, they're gonna give us the shell on this thing. Okay. I mean, I'll take it. Alright, Terra Starnstorm will kill me from here. But Rapid Spin wouldn't. So I guess we'll try to go for U-turn. Okay, fair enough. Oh, he didn't kill me. Holy shit, it didn't kill me. Oh my god. That is massive. How did that not kill me? I am super confused. So we can go Palafin here. Close combat. How did that not kill me? I'm very confused. Slitherwing. Give me 1 second here. So could I try to set up on you? Slitherwing versus Terrapagos. I know, 30 seconds. Distance. Okay. There's no point in going to you. I just have to go to you in close combat. And this can be the Weavile. Alright, we just always close combat here, I guess. I mean, if it's Chople, it's Chople. Nothing that can be done. Palafin is always faster than a max speed timid Terrapagos. So I have to scare this guy. Right. Now he could go Weavile here. Could also go Rillaboom, but Rillaboom is not the scariest thing at this point in time. If he goes Rillaboom, I'll let you kill me. Weavile, okay. Yeah, okay. I mean, we just Jet Punch it, right? They're dealing Ice Shard. Very interesting. I mean, that's fine. Take rid of my Solvest, that's fine. I mean, this guy always first impression. Because he has higher priority than Ice Shard. Dude, Apollo coming in super clutch this game apparently. Holy shit. Hopefully this does speed up because I am running out of battery on this laptop. Excellent job, Apollo. Holy shit. Good job, good job. Here's the Rillaboom, which we know has knockoff acrobatic, grassy glide, and U-turn. So we always go to the Rock of Manhattan, and that should be the game, right? Oh, dude, what a tricky game! But this choice card ZAPDOS coming in super huge, super clutch, dude. Holy shit! We did get very lucky with that critical hit on the team, but you know, it is what it is, right? Knockoff. That makes no difference here. Yep. It's alright. They are faster than me. That is a-okay. I'm just gonna go for the hip wave. Yeah, that's doing nothing, dude. The cross map, finish it up. Let's go, dude! Slitherwing being the absolute Chad of the game. GG's the twisted thing. I'm so sorry about the critical hit, although admittedly, it really depends what they went for, right? Because if they went for a the only way that critical hit makes a difference is if they were for a recover, right? Because they could have set up another nasty blood. If they didn't go for a recover, the Shadow Ball never kills me. Let me just double check my math here. My Iron Threads versus Goldingo, nasty blood. You clearly know that a +2 Shadow Ball never kills me. Nope, 96.5% the most, unless you are modest. I'm gonna have to ask. If you went for Focus Blast, you weren't killing me either. If you're timid, they could be modest though. I'm gonna have to ask. Anyways, it is what it is. GG's to Twisted Dude. Their team is incredibly offensive, and man, it makes me sweat. I am very excited though, because I just drafted Terra Keldeo in a different league. It's gonna be the first time I'm gonna get to try it, so fun stuff. Anyway, thank you all for watching. We'll see you in finals. Another one. Let's go. All right, thank you. Bye.